Well, the super glue still has to dry, but this pedal, put it on that Space Saver 100, and we didn't have a lot of control. These Singer Clamshell pedals like this, they've got a contact where you press down and then it contacts this center contact to get power to the pedal. So it's completely zero power, and then it touches to get power to this contact, and then that contact pushes through this carbon pile to that contact, and then as you push down it puts pressure on the carbon pile, and eventually you get it all the way to the bottom, and there's a short out contact on the bottom for full power. This pedal, when I opened it, there was a huge gap on the carbon pile end, so you push down and it didn't even contact the pile until it was most of the way down. So this pile is hard to service. As it wears out, there's retaining rings on the inside of the carbon, or the ceramics here, so I don't open these unless I absolutely have to, unless there's much easier style carbon pile to fix. But the tab here on the end, this end contact, you can bend it in to push the whole pile through the ceramic tube toward the other contact here. So that's what I did. Just took a screwdriver, bent this end so that it's pushed the pile out, and it's a little bit far now, so I'm going to pull this back, but yeah, so there's a little bit of spring in there so that when you touch, it's got some compression space on the carbon pile, but it's not a huge gap over here so that when you push there's nothing happening. So that is a way that you can adjust these without having to get that terrible little spring out of the end of that ceramic pile holder. There, turn this, that's the tab that I'm pushing on to shift the entire pile toward the contact.